Hey everyone, it is Summer with Savvy Totes, and I'm here with another retiring product that leaves us this month, May 31st. And this is a fantastic bundle. If you don't have one of these yet, I would highly recommend grabbing one of these, especially if you're doing any traveling with your family, or if you're looking for a great family gift for the summertime, like especially for a family that's traveling, spending time at the pool or the beach. This is a really good one. So this is the Sand and Shore Thermal, and we actually have it as part of a bundle right now. So the bundle was typically $75 and it's been marked down to 45 bucks. So again, this leaves in May. All of the bundles are leaving, and there are 4 bundles to choose from. So we have 3 prints of this bag, but then one of the prints has 2 choices of the towel that you get. So it's a really, really awesome bundle. Again, if you're spending any time at the pool or at the beach, this is a go-to. So the Sand and Shore Thermal, just like the name sounds, it is a thermal, and the best part about this bag is that it's got the leak lock lining. So if you don't know what that means, it means that you can pour ice right in here and use this as a cooler. So this is going to be perfect. It even fits your wine bottles, beers, wine coolers, sippy cups, juice boxes, Gatorades, all of that, water bottles, all of that. It fits a lot in there. And then you can see that this front pocket here actually has a mesh bottom. So what's awesome about that is that any sand or water that gets in here will just fall through here. So typically people will put their beach shovels and little pails and toys in here, you know, your magazines, things that it doesn't matter if they get wet, anything down in there, and then all of the water just goes through the bottom there. And you can obviously personalize it with something really fun and beachy. This one's got the sand dollar icon on it with some personalization. And then you've got the long handles to carry over your shoulder. So this is a really fun bag. I love this print. This is the, oh gosh, what is the name of this one? It is the, I always forget, it's not Preppy Pop. It's Patio Pop. I'm like, it's just like that. Patio Pop, but it screams summer, it screams beach. We also have a navy one with white starfish all over it, and we do have a black one with little white polka dots. But this little front pocket has this little snap right here, so it snaps, you know, shut. But this is just the perfect bag for a family. Again, you can put your towels in the front. If you're not going to be by the water so much with this one, you can put your tablet, your phone and keys, sunscreen down in here. But again, if you know you're going to be near the water, you don't want to do that. But then you've got all of your thermal area available for snacks like string cheese, yogurt tubes, carrot sticks, and of course your drinks. So get to choose a towel with one of those bundles. Again, $45, which does qualify you for the May special. So if you're doing that, you can choose the small utility tote for only $12. And you can get both. So this small utility tote can hold all of the other extras that you may have. So maybe you want to put your dry goods in here. So maybe some napkins or some paper towels, utensils. You've got your chips, your hot dog buns, you know, anything that's dry that doesn't need to go in the thermal, your phone, your keys, all of that. Maybe get a zipper pouch and throw some sunscreen and smaller essentials in there and then toss that in here. But this baby's only 12 bucks in May when you spend 35. So you can grab both of those in May. But again, the Sand and Shore Thermal Bundle is retiring in May. So grab it now. It makes a great gift. Comment below with what you want to know, and I'll be happy to answer your questions. Have a great day.